Miracles happen with prayer. That God is here to help you. He's not here to punish you. It depends on how much of effort you take to maintain and develop this connection with God. Sometimes a delay could be God's protection. Also, try to find out what kind of prayer really works. Have you really been trying very hard to experience something that you have truly desired from the bottom of your heart? Have you been praying very, very hard to the divine and the God power within you? Maybe you have a feeling that universe is not answering my prayer. Sometimes we get a feeling, is God even listening? Is prayer really effective enough, powerful enough to help me heal? There could be a healing you need in your relationship area. There could be a healing you need in the money area. Or there could be a healing required at the level of the mind and body. Is really prayer the answer or the medicine that you need at the moment? And is it an effective medicine that can resolve your problems and change your life? Well, all these doubts about prayer and the effectiveness and power of prayer is what I'm going to try to answer in this video. You see, prayer is a wonderful way to communicate with God. However, what you need to think about or reflect on is, do we really believe that God or the divine is listening or is willing to help? That is the question. Really, the effectiveness of the prayer always depends on your connection with God. You see, any relationship, the person at the other end is probably going to help you or maybe, do something for you that really matters to you. If you and that person share a relationship of trust, you continue to communicate with each other regularly. See, even if it's a friend, you haven't communicated with that friend for a very long time. Chances are that the relationship is not as powerful or as strong as it used to be. So, just like any other relationship, communication with God in the form of prayer is something that we need to do on a daily basis. You need to keep this connection, this communication going. I want to share with you something interesting. In the 1900s, there was an organization called Spindrift that conducted experiments on the effects of prayer. They wanted to find out how prayer works. Does prayer really work? What results people are getting with the power of prayer? And the conclusions they came with are really mind-boggling. So first of all, let's understand what the experiment was. The experiment included sprouting seeds. Two groups of seeds, side by side, at the same time. Now what they did was, they had a group of people coming together to pray over both these seeds. So both the groups of seeds had a team praying. However, what they did was, they had one particular group continue to pray only over one group of seeds. And the other group, they left completely after a few days. Now what they realized was that on one hand, the group of seeds which continued to have people pray over them did very well. In fact, the more stressful the situation, like they deliberately actually put some salt water into the seeds just to test and see whether even under these health crises the sprouts are coming out. And what they realized was that the group of seeds where the prayer was continuously being done flourished. There were more sprouts even in these stressful conditions. But the other hand, the seeds that were planted in the same time, same place, were not doing well because there was no prayer over them. So what they realized was, 1, there is some power in prayer. 2, anything and everything over which prayer is done has the power to change, transform, heal, and do very, very well. Another conclusion, which was very, very surprising actually, was this: that when they had experienced group of people pray over those seeds, that group's prayer was more effective. That means, if you and I start praying on a daily basis, our connection with that divine power grows. So you become more experienced in prayer because you and God then start to have a strong connection. And it is this connection that gives power to prayer. And that is what was really wonderful that came out of this experiment. So prayer is actually a skill, an art that you can practice, you can learn, you can master and get better at. What was also interesting was when the stressful conditions were deliberately created, they realized the worse the situation, more effective the prayer. So even in life, when you're having tough times, no, remember prayer can actually work very, very well in such times. You should never ever hold this thought. What is the use of praying? Is this going to change anything? Miracles happen with prayer. People have experienced miracles, solved their problems, got guidance from this divine power, and whatever form of God they believe in. When they connect to this power, the sky is the limit. So, really, if you look at the effectiveness of prayer, it depends on how much of effort you take to maintain and develop this connection with God. Also, prayer is not something that involves commanding something from God. You can't command God, but you can demand. See, just as a mother waits for the child, many times the child is very small, the child will cry if he is hungry, and then the mother knows the child wants milk. In the same manner, you should not hold this thought whether you should ever ask anything in prayer or not. After all, God is like a divine mother and father. You know, our scriptures tell us that God has the love of 1,000 mothers. So you do not have to maintain a formal relationship with this mother. You pray whenever you want to, you seek guidance whenever you want to. But you must have faith that God is listening, that God is watching, that God is here to help you. He's not here to punish you. But sometimes prayers are not answered because there are certain lessons we have to learn. So, no prayer really is not answered. If you think about what our scriptures, what our shastras talk about prayer, it is this: every prayer is answered. But do not control the way the answer has to come. Do not hold this view that this answer must come in my way only, at this time only, because God knows better. Maybe at this time, if the prayer would be answered, you would not enjoy the fruits of that prayer. You would not enjoy the fruits of the desire that you're holding so dear in your heart. So God's timing is always perfect. In fact, whenever you're ready to receive, God gives, and He gives in abundance. So don't hold this view or this idea that, my prayers are not being answered. Sometimes a delay could be God's protection. A denial could be God telling you, listen, why are you settling for this? I have something better for you in store. Whenever something has come off your hands, trust me, if you hold on to this thought and this feeling, God is for me, not against me, something better is going to come your way. Now, you see, the Spindrift organization that conducted these experiments also tried to find out what kind of prayer really works. For example, there are some people who will totally surrender to God and say, God, you take care of this problem. I don't know what is good for me. So they tried to find out, does this kind of non-directed prayer really work? Or is this directed prayer more powerful? God, I want this. Please help me get this. Now, what they realized was, through the people they spoke to, through the research studies conducted, they found out that certainly there is no doubt a non-directed prayer, a prayer in which you are releasing all personal agenda and only holding on to this thought and feeling, God, you take care of this problem. I don't know what is right for me. You allow God to guide you. Holding this thought and view and idea in mind that maybe, God knows what I need at this moment and my highest good is going to be taken care of. When you hold this feeling and with this feeling you pray, your own mind, your own thoughts come out of the way. And in fact, what happens is even better than what you had imagined, because sometimes, your mind and your thoughts have limitations as to what can be done for you, what should be done. But when you leave it to God, you see, He knows what you don't know. So many times when you pray with this feeling of surrender, that my good is going to be taken care of God, what you get is much better than what you had imagined. So sometimes when the mind goes out of the way, the limits that were imposed on the desires you wanted suddenly come out. And what you experience is much better. In fact, your highest good is then taken care of. That doesn't mean that I should not pray to ask for something. You see, all our scriptures and religious texts tell us that you can pray, you can seek guidance, give your thoughts to God, but don't feel that my prayer is not being answered because I have not got this in my life. Remember that sometimes God is trying to protect you. He's trying to take you to a shortcut towards your higher destination, towards the good that you desire. So, today, my dear friends, if something is not working out in your life, remember the question that you need to ask yourself is, am I doing enough to strengthen my connect with this power within me? Am I having the faith that I am being guided and led on to my highest good? If you pray without this faith, if you simply pray demanding, I want this, I want this, I want this, but there is no feeling attached in your prayer, then perhaps God is going to wait and allow you to develop that faith through your everyday sadhana and practice. And what sadhana can you do on a daily basis? You see, you need to dial the right number to talk to the concerned person. For God, you need to dial the right number. Your subconscious thoughts, memories, judgments, bitterness, disappointments don't allow you to strike the chord with God. Don't allow you to develop that connection. Every day, make sure few minutes you spend in silence. Even if you don't know how to communicate with God, start with silence. Silence is the language of the universe. Silence is one of the best ways you can connect with God. Even if you start with 5-10 minutes every day, you start to feel comfortable being by yourself. And this comfort is the first stage towards going deeper. Slowly, slowly, you could even do things like, either talking to God just as you talk to a friend. You can close your eyes and say, God, please help me out with this. And then see if prayer is leaving you feeling better. See, if prayer is not leaving you feeling better, perhaps you have not been able to concentrate. Perhaps that trust is still not come. What can you do? Every day, try to release negative feelings towards others. The more you release negative feelings towards others, deeper you will feel a connect with God. Because ultimately, remember, your subconscious mind often comes in the way of this connection with God. So work on forgiveness. Work on releasing grudges. Automatically, you will become more and more connected to God and the universe. And through silent sitting, you will actually start to feel the presence of God. Make sure you start with 5-10 minutes every day. And if it really helps you, because it used to help me, I used to write letters to God. I still do. Whenever I feel, I want to pour my heart out, writing helps me feel that connection. I start to write this letter, and I keep this letter very safely with me in my bag, in my purse. And whenever I want to feel God's presence, I want to seek His guidance, I would simply put my hands inside my bag, touch that paper, and I would feel like I'm pouring my heart out to God. So make sure you try this practice. See how it makes you feel. See how connected you feel. See how lighter you feel that you have poured your heart out to God. So really, every prayer is answered. However, your mind may trick you to believing no one is listening. But if you think of this, reflect on this thought more deeply, your body is being run by a blueprint. God is the creator of that blueprint. Every beating of your heart and brain is controlled by this power, this miraculous power. Wake up and sleep with this thought that God knows what is right for me. And let God know that you put your thoughts, your ideas, your desires into the hands of God, into the lotus feet. Make sure you let God know that you trust God and you're putting all your thoughts, desires into the hands of God so that He decides that they come into your life in the perfect manner. Thy will be done this day. Today is a day of completion, dear God. I give thanks to you for this beautiful day. Miracle shall follow miracle, and I will be led on to my highest good under your divine guidance and grace. Use this prayer and see how good you feel, how connected you feel with God. I hope this video cleared some of your doubts on the effects of prayer. Remember, no one knows enough to give up. So never give up and never hold this thought that there is no one for you. God and you are one. Love and God are one. If you try to connect with the energy of love, you will experience the healing that you desire. whatever area of your life that healing is needed. God is here for you. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste.